Most people are entertained. Few are sharpened. They scroll, they consume. But there's another path, a path where your hobbies don't just pass time, they build power. Once you master the 11 hobbies I'm about to discuss, you won't just improve your life, you'll transform into someone hard to ignore and impossible to replace. Let's begin. 1. Wilderness navigation. No GPS. No phone, no satellite, just map and compass. This builds self-reliance, directional intelligence, calm under uncertainty. When you know how to navigate without technology, you stop feeling dependent. 2. Long-range precision shooting. This isn't about aggression, it's about control. Precision shooting teaches breath control, emotional stability, microscopic focus. If your heart rate spikes, you miss. If your mind wanders, you miss. It forces discipline at a physiological level. You train your body to obey your mind. 3. Restoration projects. Restoring old furniture, cars, tools. This builds vision. You learn to see potential where others see junk. That rewires your brain. You develop patience, craftsmanship, and long-term commitment. 4. Rock climbing. Rock climbing is controlled fear. It forces you to confront gravity, hesitation, and self-doubt all at once. There is no blaming traffic, no blaming coworkers. It's just you and the wall. You develop problem-solving under pressure and absolute focus. Every route teaches you this. If you panic, you fall. If you breathe, you rise. 5. Wilderness tracking. Tracking animals in the wild teaches observation at an elite level. You learn to read footprints, broken branches, subtle environmental shifts. Your awareness sharpens. 6. Chess. Chess is war without blood. It trains strategic thinking, patience, and emotional control. You learn to think multiple moves ahead, to sacrifice now to win later. Most people react emotionally. Chess teaches you to respond logically. 7. Blacksmithing or metal forging. This is primal discipline. You take raw steel and shape it with fire. There's something powerful about creating with your hands in a digital world. It builds physical strength, technical precision, and respect for process. Steel doesn't lie. If your strike is weak, it shows. 8. Reading biographies. If you want shortcuts, study the lives of people who've already paid the price. Biographies teach how leaders think, how they fail, how they recover. You realize success isn't magic, it's patterns, and once you see the pattern, you can replicate it. 9. Running. Running is mental warfare. When your legs burn, when your lungs beg you to stop, you make a decision: quit or continue. Distance running builds endurance, pain tolerance, and self-command. You become someone who keeps going even when it's uncomfortable. 10. Practicing stillness. Silence is rare. Most people are terrified of being alone with their thoughts. Stillness builds emotional regulation, clarity, and self-awareness. When you master stillness, you stop reacting impulsively. You start acting intentionally. That's maturity. 11. Learning a new skill constantly. Every year, learn something new. Coding, carpentry, public speaking, a language. This keeps your brain flexible. You become adaptable. In a rapidly changing economy, adaptability is survival. Stagnation is decay. Most hobbies distract. These sharpen. The goal isn't to look impressive. The goal is to become capable.